Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on this earlier today using the PowerClip inside of Corel Draw to build this puzzle. And if you'll see, just a second, it'll take a second to put it in there, I guess. Well, there it is. Anyway, and then when you break the puzzle apart, it's pretty cool because you could do things like this with it. But if you're not going to do that, one of my loyal subscribers mentioned the thing that's wrong with this puzzle, that one, it's going to take a long time to cut because the interior lines are going to have to cut twice. I mean, it's going to have to cut that line and then that line. So in lieu of doing that, the only other, well, there's maybe another way, but this picture is 6.5 by 8. If you go and if you have Macro Monster E-Cuts, which I've done a lot of videos on it, and go to the create a puzzle, and I made it the width. I'm going to make the count just like 6 and 6. And you can change the wave, you can change the leaf. You can separate the puzzle pieces, but it can be very slow. And I made a puzzle. I'm going to go and change it to a hairline right off the bat and make it red. The advantage to Macro Monsters puzzle, when we go to object and ungroup it, okay, I'm going to have to convert it to a curve first, or break the curve apart. The difference is it's only going to cut one line out per time. So it's going to cut that line, it's going to cut that line, and you don't have all that double cutting, which could be pretty bad on a puzzle because it's going to maybe make the curve. But if you have this like that, and you don't need to separate the pieces, you just want to cut it out, you just hit P and have this printed. And, you know, I've made several videos about how you can glue down a good quality paper and then just have the laser cut out the pieces. But the advantage in here, like I said before, it's only going to cut one line at a time. Now it is it's 60 bucks. But if you want to search my videos on macros or macro monsters, this thing is incredible what it can do. And once again, I'm not promoting this. I'm just telling you what's out there. I bought this thing. I bet I've had it for 10 years or 8 years and use it at least once a week to do something. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.